Plant FAQs. Begonia Big Rose Green Leaf. Begonia Big Rose Green Leaf. Your guide to this stunning flower. Hi, Ferbvu here, and I'm a passionate plant enthusiast. Today, we're diving into the world of the Begonia Big Rose Green Leaf, a captivating addition to any garden or indoor space. This FAQ will answer your burning questions about this beauty, from its characteristics to care tips. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is the Big Rose Green Leaf Begonia? The Big Rose Green Leaf Begonia, Begonia exponariensis F. Big Rose Green Leaf, is a standout variety known for its prolific blooms and lush foliage. It's a hybrid, combining the best traits of its parent species for a vigorous and visually striking plant. What does Begonia Big Rose Green Leaf look like? Imagine this. Large, rose-colored blooms, resembling delicate orchids, cascade from the ends of upright, arching stems. These vibrant flowers are complemented by the plant's main attraction, its glossy, heart-shaped, dark green leaves that remain a constant source of beauty throughout the year. How big does it get? The Big Rose Green Leaf Begonia lives up to its name. It can reach a height of 20 to 28 inches, 51 to 71 centimeters, with a spread of 16 to 20 inches, 41 to 51 centimeters. This makes it a perfect choice for adding a touch of grandeur to your garden beds, containers, or hanging baskets. How does it compare to other begonias? Begonia enthusiasts are always on the lookout for unique varieties. Here's how the Big Rose Green Leaf Begonia stacks up against some popular choices. Fibrous-rooted begonias. Like the Big Rose Green Leaf Begonia, these are known for their non-stop flowering and adaptability. However, the Big Rose Green Leaf boasts larger blooms and earlier blooming times. Tuberous begonias. These beauties are prized for their large, showy flowers, but they require more specific care, including dormancy periods. The Big Rose Green Leaf Begonia offers a lower-maintenance alternative with continuous blooms. Wax begonias. Popular for their glossy, textured leaves, wax begonias generally have smaller, less showy flowers. The Big Rose Green Leaf Begonia provides a balance of stunning foliage and impressive blooms. Is Begonia Big Rose Green Leaf easy to care for? The Big Rose Green Leaf Begonia is a gardener's delight. Here's what you need to know. Light. It thrives in partial shade to full shade, making it ideal for areas that don't receive direct sunlight all day. Water. Consistent watering is key, but avoid waterlogging. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out before watering again. Soil. While draining, fertile soil is ideal. Consider adding organic matter like compost for optimal growth. Fertilizer. Apply a balanced fertilizer during the growing season to encourage continuous blooms. Temperature. It prefers moderate temperatures, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius. Is Begonia Big Rose Green Leaf pest and disease resistant? While generally pest and disease resistant, proper care is essential. Monitor for common garden pests like aphids and mealybugs. With early intervention using organic methods or insecticidal soap, you can keep these issues at bay. Where can I buy a Big Rose Green Leaf Begonia? These beauties are becoming increasingly popular. Look for them at your local nurseries, garden centers, or online retailers specializing in plants. Additional tips for success. Deadheading spent blooms encourages continuous flowering. Simply pinch off the faded flowers at the base of the stem. Regular light pruning can help maintain the plant's shape and promote bushier growth. Enjoy the versatility of the Big Rose Green Leaf Begonia. Plant it in containers for a pop of color on your patio, hang it in baskets for a cascading display, or use it as an accent piece in your garden beds. With its stunning blooms, lush foliage, and easygoing nature, the Big Rose Green Leaf Begonia is sure to become a favorite in your collection. So, why not give it a try and add a touch of elegance to your green haven?